Welcome to the Aquaflow Crypto Lab. I have great news for you. The moonshot indicator that you can see on this chart and the XRP Bull Bear Index are available for free on my brand new website. I put the link of the website in the description of the video. To access the indicator, you just have to go to the free indicators just right here, and after clicking on it, you will be able to register for free. This package contains the moonshot indicator and the bull bear index for XRP. You've been waiting for this and I delivered, so please have a look and enjoy. And today I want to start the video by analyzing this chart. First, a quick reminder, when the yellow line crosses below the other line, usually we get a new bottom for XRP. You can see it here, we cross, it becomes red, right? And we have a new bottom for XRP. Here it's the same thing. We have a cross and we got a new bottom for XRP. And when the line crosses above the other line, then we usually have a moonshot or a great move in the market. You can see just right here that after the cross, we have a big move to the upside. Here, after the cross, we have a huge move to the upside. And if we take a step back, just right here, it was the same thing, right? We have a cross and we have our bull one. So this indicator is very useful to understand the big trends of the market. For example, here we have a big shakeout, right? Because after the moonshot, we have the SEC sell-off with this huge bearish candle, right? But if you have really a closer look at the chart, you see that the line remains green, right? Because the yellow line doesn't cross back down below the green line, right? So as it is staying above it, we are still in a bull market. And that's why you don't have to be afraid when you have such things. And currently, this is exactly the same thing. After the moonshot that we have just right here, we came back down and the price is trending right now below the yellow line. Here it was the same, just have a look. We have the moonshot, we came down, right? And the price is trending below the yellow line. But before having the yellow line crossing the green line, right? The price had a huge move to the upside, preventing the line to cross the other line. So that's what I expect from XRP. If we want to stay bullish, we have absolutely to get back above the yellow line. It's that simple. So keep your eyes on it. Currently, the yellow line is around 56 cents. So keep this level in mind. Then on this chart, we have also the bull bear index. This indicator detects bullish trends and bearish trends. For example, here we have a huge bearish trend because most of the dots are red. And here with these dots, right, we had a clear indication that the market was transitioning into a bull market because most of the dots changed from red to white and from white to green. Here it was the same thing. Just look. Here we have green dots and white dots, but no red dots, right? So with this candle, we knew that we were transitioning into a bull market. Currently, most of the dots are green, as you can see. So we are still in a bullish trend. This is the main information on this chart. Indeed, it may look scary because we were just right here, very high in the chart. And after this, we have a big move to the downside. So looking at this, I understand that you can feel pessimistic. But if you look at this chart in an objective manner, you see that the yellow line is still above the green line, which is good, and most of the dots are still green. It means that currently we have a lot of support below us because I remind you that each dot on this indicator represents a line below the current price. Both of these indicators are available on my website for free, so please have a look at the description of the video. Now we can move to the next chart, the big picture chart. As you know, last week we had some kind of sell-off. In my previous videos, I always said that XRP needed to retest the bull bear band at some point. And this is exactly what we are doing right now. Of course, we went out of the band with this candle, but we needed to retest the band with this candle. There are two lines I'm watching on a daily basis right now. First, we have the bull market support with the blue dots. Remember that this is our greatest line. If I had to keep only one line on this chart, it would be this one. It's doing an amazing job at identifying bull and bear markets. For example, here, after crossing it, we knew that we were in a bear market, right? And here, after crossing it, we knew that we were transitioning into a bull market. And then, of course, I'm keeping an eye on the top of the bull bear band, as if we are able to cross it again and go above it and use it as a resistance, the moon will be ours. So remember this, as long as we stay above the dots, right? The blue dots of the bull market support, and inside the bull bear band or above it, we are still in a bull market. If you want to be able to use these indicators on your own TradingView charts, let me know in the comments of the video and I will create a membership program especially for this. It will include, of course, the bull market support, the band, right, but other indicators like the mountain indicator where you can see the bottoms for XRP and detect really great opportunities, and other indicators, right? So let me know in the comments. So the good news about this chart is that in the future weeks, the bull market support is going up. So if XRP wants to stay in a bull market, XRP has no choice but to go up in the future weeks. If XRP crosses the bull market support like this and stays below it, we are in big troubles, guys. Currently, the bull market support is around 43 cents. So this is the key level to remember. I hope it's clear. It's time to move to the cloud chart. This chart gives us another angle of the current situation. The lines that will be useful to us today are the cloud charts, of course, and the green line. First, what about the cloud chart? You see that here we went up above the cloud, right? For this entire phase, we were below the cloud. We even used it as a resistance and got rejected from it. Here again as a resistance and we got rejected from it, right? But with this candle, for the first time in a very long time, we were able to close above the cloud. But as you can see, we hit the green line, right? We were there, we went up, we hit the green line, and we came back down. But this time we used the cloud as a support, and this is wonderful, guys. Look, we came back, here we stay in the cloud. Here we pierced the cloud, but we came back up to stay in the cloud. Again, we stay in the cloud, we even closed the candle above the cloud. So weeks after weeks, we stayed in this area, keeping the cloud as a solid support. Then we close above the green line with this candle. We came back to retest the green line as a support. So we pierce it and we close above it. And this was the confirmation that we wanted. And that's why after, with this candle, we have a huge move to the upside. That said, I warned you that we had a sell signal. Just like the sell signal that we had here, and we had to come down, right? Here, after this sell signal, we had to come down. Remember that we had the exact same scenario just right here, right? We came above the green line, we have a sell signal, we came back down. We retested the cloud as a support. Again, here we have a sell signal, we came back down, right? Sell signal, came back down. So each time we have a huge move to the downside after having this sell signal. So we knew what to expect from this signal, right? And right now, what I like to see is that despite the fact that we went from this level all the way down to this level, the price is still using the cloud as a solid support. So with this candle, we pierced the green line, right? But we came back up to close inside the cloud. And here again, look, with this candle, we are currently above the cloud. So you see that candle after candle, we are still bouncing from the cloud, meaning that this is still a solid support in my opinion. In addition, we are still above the green line, meaning that we are still in a bull market. So with this simple analysis, we understand that the bull don't want XRP to go below the cloud or below the green line. So they are keeping this area as a solid support. And as long as we stay in this area or above it, we are in a bull market. If you want to be able to display these indicators on your charts, on your own charts in TradingView, please let me know in the comments section. It's time to move to the next chart, the string line. This analysis is pretty straightforward indeed. Below the line, we are in a bear market. Above the line, we are in a bull market. And when we are below it, it's red, right? And when we are above it, it's green, and we are using it as a support. You can see that after crossing it, we use it as a support, as a support, as a support before crossing it again. And this is the validation of this indicator because we created it before this happened, right? And as we crossed it, look, candle after candle, we kept on using this line as a strong, a very, very strong support. And we keep on using it as a support. That's why, according to this indicator, we are still in a bull market. So you need to stay level-headed. I know that it seems that XRP wants to go down because it was around $1 and now it's 50% less. But with my indicators, everything is crystal clear and we are still in a bull market. We would be in danger if XRP goes below this line and stays below it. But as long as we keep on using it as a support, we are good, guys. Currently, this line, the string line, is around 48 cents. So remember this level. Just a quick reminder, my XRP moonshot indicator and the XRP bull bear index are available for free on my website. So please have a look at it. If you like the content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That's all for today's video, and as always, time will tell.